Hey guys, 06 Farming Hunter here today, and I'm going to be teaching you how to make a paracord sling for your gun. I made a 40-inch sling using 50 feet of paracord that I bought at PV Mart for around $9. I'll be teaching you the fishtail braid, which is one of the best braids for a survival situation, because the whole sling is a single piece of rope. So what I've done here is I've taped two key rings to the table at 40 inches apart. I'm making a 40-inch sling for my SKS with this white camouflage paracord. I have 50 feet of paracord, and I found the exact center, and I'm just going to start by looping that from the top down and just making one of these loops. You got to pull it all through. And you want the cord coming over the top. Then you come to the other side, making sure that you don't cross your left and rights. So you bring it from the top, in the top and out the bottom for both sides. Like that. So now I have my two different cords, and then I'm going to bring each line back up to the top, making sure you're not crossing your lines. You have to have your left and right separate, in the top, out the bottom. You're going to do this for both sides. Coming in the top and out the bottom. And I'm going to bring it back to this loop, in the top and out the bottom. I'm going to do this so I have 3 strands on each side. You could do it more, you could do it less. It's going to make it a thicker or thinner cord. And it's also going to make it stronger the more you have. So I'm going to do 3 because I only have 50 feet of line. In the top and out the bottom. And now I have a total of 6 strands. 6. So you want to make sure that you separate your left and right so you don't get them mixed up. And now this is where I start the braid. I like to start on the left, so you take your left strand over the 3 and then under the 3, so that you're crossing right in the center. Bring that all the way through, like that. And then do the same thing for the other side. Over 3 and under 3, so you're crossing right in the center of your 6 strands. And as you start to tighten it up and start braiding, it'll separate itself. So then, again, you just alternate left and right. So I'm going left again, and then right again. And this is called the fishtail braid. And just push it down and pull it tight so that you're stacking them one on top of the other. It'll keep it tighter looking, and it'll keep it working better so it doesn't come loose while you're using it. So just alternating left and right. I'm just crossing over 3 and under 3, meeting in the middle, or crossing over in the center. I'm separating my strands, and then alternating left and right. So I just bring it down and I pull it tight. Then I come with the next guy. I'm going to do this all the way up, and I'll show you how to tie it at the end of the video. So as it turns out, I actually don't have enough paracord here with my 50 feet. I'm going to have to go buy some more and attach it. So I unweaved the whole thing and reweaved it really tight. And that gave me all the string I needed to get to the end here, where I just tied a simple knot, and then I'll just burn this a little bit so it can't come undone. So I had 50 feet and I made a 40-inch sling, and that was just about perfect. So if you're a little worried, maybe make one a little short of 37 or something. You should have plenty of string in the end to tie it off. And so what I did here is I just tied a simple knot, and then I just burnt it so it won't come undone. So this is solid now.